This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your device supports overlay windows and the target app is installed. Open Settings and navigate directly to Apps or Special Access, then Display over other apps. Find the app you plan to use and enable the permission. You may see a security prompt. Accept it. Once done, return to the app and look for a floating or pop-out option in its menu. This immediate permission step lets the app create overlays, which is required before creating a floating window. Now you dive into the app's interface to activate the floating feature. Open the app and find the pop-out, picture-in-picture, or floating window toggle, sometimes in the three-dot menu or playback controls. Turn it on, and the app will spawn a movable overlay. Drag it to the screen edge to dock or resize using the corner handles. Make sure touch interactions work and the overlay stays above other apps. If the app includes settings for opacity or behavior, adjust them to suit how you work. Finish by confirming the floating app behaves consistently. Lock its position or enable auto start if available so the overlay returns after restarts. Test interactions with other apps and incoming notifications to ensure it remains on top. If the floating window disappears or won't open, make sure the display over other apps permission is still active. Revoke and re-grant it, then reboot. One key troubleshooting tip. Some OEM battery optimizers kill overlays. Exclude the app from battery optimization to prevent that interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.